I'm Sam Woo, and I'm absolutely, positively, definitely not afraid of ghosts. But when Ralph Philip Zinkerman III started calling me Scaredy Cat Sam after the event that must never be spoken of again, so don't ask, I knew I needed a plan of action. 1. Obtain terrifying and deadly pet as sidekick. 2. Defeat the Ghost King once and for all. Easy, right?